Everything you buy and everything you sell hides a single secret. Supply and demand controls the price. Today we unpack supply and demand and how you can use it without ever touching interest. I'll be your finance strategist who builds riba-free business models for real people. This video uses basic economics plus Islamic finance alternatives so you can act, not guess. In few minutes, you'll learn the simple rules of supply and demand, 3 halal ways to profit, and a step-by-step playbook you can use this week. One clear takeaway: price follows scarcity and choice, and you can build value without interest. Demand is what buyers want. Supply is what sellers have. When demand rises and supply stays low, prices go up. When supply rises and demand falls, prices drop. Think about house prices in recent years. Pandemic demand pushed prices up because supply couldn't keep up. Step 1. Find scarcity. Ask, who needs this? How hard is it to replace? Example, a small coffee truck near a busy office park. If there are only 2 lunch options, demand is concentrated. You can charge more for convenience. Ethically, halal alternative. Sell real value, faster service, unique menu, subscription coffee plans, not loans or interest. Playbook. Today, walk the area, count competitors, check hours. If demand greater than supply by 2 times, test a pilot week. Wait until you see how a companion of the Prophet turned trading into long-term wealth, 0 interest, and what that teaches us. Step 2. Don't borrow interest. Partner. Islamic finance offers models like musharakah and mudarabah, profit and loss sharing contracts. This means the investor shares risk with you and profits are split by agreement. Example. Imagine you want to buy a food truck but lack capital. A halal partner funds 50%. You both share profits until the partner's share is bought out. Playbook. Offer clear percentages, short reporting, and a buyout plan. Use written contracts and an escrow or trustee. Would you prefer partnering or full ownership? Type partner or own below. Step 3. Build recurring value. Subscriptions turn unpredictable demand into steady cash. Example, a halal catering service that sells weekly meal plans to local offices. This lowers your risk and raises predictable supply planning. Halal alternative. Avoid interest-based financing for growth. Use revenue-based financing, profit sharing, or crowdfunding that offers product or equity, not guaranteed interest. Playbook. Launch a 30-day pilot, price for a 20% margin, and offer a discount for 3-month commitments. Later, I'll show a classic trader from Islamic history who scaled trade with partnership. Stay tuned. Step 4. Manage perception. Small supply moves change demand, limit offers, create bundles, or show stock levels to increase perceived scarcity. Example. An online seller shows only 3 left for handcrafted lamps. Demand spikes. You'll do this honestly, never fake scarcity, halal alternative. Offer added value warranties or service bundles instead of financing deals that charge interest. Playbook. Test A/B pricing. Track conversion for 7 days. If conversions jump, keep the price and add more value. Would you pay more for fast delivery? Vote fast or cheap in comments. Compelling story. Abdul Rahman ibn Auf, a companion known for honest trade, grew wealth by trading assets and partnerships, not by lending at interest. He used long caravans and partnerships to spread risk. At scale, the housing market shows the same law. Pandemic demand plus tight supply drove prices up. Proof that scarcity and choice are primary drivers. Week plan. Day 1. Research local demand. Day 2. Pitch one partner with a clear profit share. Day 3. Test a subscription or pilot offer. Day 4. Run 7-day pricing, a B test. Day 5. Measure and iterate. Type pilot if you'll do the week plan this week. You'll hear, but I need a loan. Short pause. If the loan is interest-based, skip it. Instead, raise small funds from friends as equity, use a mudarabah, or offer early bird product pre-sales. These are legal and halal when contracts are clear. Recap: spot scarcity, partner for capital, sell recurring value, and price honestly. If you learned one thing, try one halal test this week. Subscribe for weekly business tactics. Share this with one friend who's starting a side hustle. Next video: how to structure a simple musharakah for a small business. Practical template included. Would you like the musharakah template? Type template below.